Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Angelica Aska. Here I will present about interviewing and assessment. Overview. Interviewing is one of the most common methods assigned in patent assessment. Although interviewing is a common occur in pharmacy practice, the quality of the practice interview is the requisite attention by pharmacy. This chapter focus on we are involving practice assessment and the interviewing process at adults aspects of both informal question and the more formal structure interview. Communication skill discord include questioning, listening, sensation appropriate, and developing rapport. Introduce pharmacy often which obtain information for practice as part or the practice assessment process. In curves right for further simple question has asking whether a practice is allergic to penicillin to rather complex problem has as determining whether a practice is taking a medication purple. Interviewing is an important component in the disease medicine process as pharmacy obatin. Interviewing is an important component in the disease management process. A pharmacy obtains information for supporting decision making. Affecting interviewing also allows process on that interviewing is a complex process in need of more attention because the quality of the information required is not always optimal. The process of interviewing goes beyond asking a set of open questions in a certain order. Be the most appropriate approach in other situations as well. Practice question in a certain order. When patents are regulated to talk about this problem, the basic skill discussed in this can be asked in a variety of things or situations, and if assigned properly can greatly ignite the effect of the interview, and the quality of information obtained. Component of an effective interview. Listening. In general, people at better standard of information that receiver of information. We have been taught how to improve our verbal and visual communication skill, but not our listening skill. Thus, we must consider much higher or the listening component of the communication process. Nothing will interview faster than having practice realize that you are not listening to them. Probing. Probing is the ask of question to elicit neither information from practice or to help clarify their problem or concomitant. Asking question seems to be straightforward text with it is in most situations forward several things should be considered before asking a question. The pharmacy of the question is important. Patents are often put on the default by question for intelligence. We type a question can make people feel the time help to justify direction for doing a getting thing it's also better to see what are our type and question. For example, people may become defensive is a scale. We do you miss dose for medicine? Intent of what question you to miss dose for medicine. Asking sensitive question. Some question you expect text might be particular sensitive. Question asking under count. A call ask or ask of question do might be default to ask. As a method of which including self because of medicine that relate to sexual faulting or sexual transmit. The access might also request the plumage approach. There are a number of techniques that can make question easier to ask before asking a question about a sensitive topic. Let the participant know that the before a problem you are asking about are common. If you acknowledge that everyone has million problems, it's my case the isn't Ismail let training. For example, say to patent it is free disability to take a medicine. Quantization day after diagnosis effort they will with a dose do medicine on in a well before asking specialty question about adherence outdoor technique for reducing the dare of sensitive question is to ask whether the situation has ever at any time outcome and the acts about the courting situation. For example, if you didn't that you must assess use of illicit drug, you might phrase the question in the following way: after type or drug I has marijuana are completely aside purple meat us to rally or with friends and party. Have you at any time in your life something Marjuna? If the answer is yes, the follow-up question might be to putting in a more racing team vibe. Have you some count Marjuna during the party? Question about request of us and us of author to call flow. Use of slang outer skill that you must learn in order to be an question interview is the art or assign challenge a property during the interview. There will be time when net you're not the party it will expect special in the early moments. You must let to tell team pause a nations part of the process and not be uncomfortable with team. Many team the pattern needle team to think about or add to the information. Have you perfect or the question you have asked interpreting in the self the story the opportunity for the pattern to think about the material. Interviewing is a process type of information. Before the interview begins, you call determine the amount and type of information that's friend in on what exactly do you want to complete. For example, if you need to fit all spoken place in information, you will want to have more control over the interview process. This is referred to as the discomfort problem. Or if the culture is uncomfortable of something about you need to ask more needing upward. Interview as a process. Type of information. Before the interview began, you should determine the amount and type of information disseminated in or order. What expansion do you want to complete? For example, if you need to fill to up special pieces of information, you will want to have more control over the interview process. This is referred to as the written interview. Apart power if the quote is unknown or something ambiguous you need as more. Type of informant. Planning for the interview must include consideration of the type of informant available. The informant is crucial because one of the fundamental principles of interviewing to prevent as much profit as possible request has what that the degree of prefer is reality my quality quantum in the interview process. For example, the left a pattern understanding or the information profit and the degree of adherence with the treatment regimen. Starting the interview. This helps establishing a rapport with the person. You should also tell the purpose of the interview, calling what will happen during the interview, and put the pattern at aside the purpose of the interview could be stand in team of the banner to the pattern the more often needed the subject to be covered, and the final outcome could be mentioned so that the participant has a clear understanding of the process. Ending the interview. Bring the interview to a close is often more difficult than sending the interview. It is crucial part of the interview process because a person evaluation of the entire interview and your performance may be based on the final assessment. People seem to remember best what has led. Therefore, care should be taken not to net the interview appropriate of to reach the pattern out the door. If you have profound information to the pattern, you should determine whether or not the pattern understand the material quality at the end of the information. Of example, you should say to the pattern, I want to make sure I have explained everything clear. Please something of for me the most important thing to remember about this no meditation. To conclude the interview, you will multiple with some more the key information provided by the pattern. A summary allows both parties the community to refer explicitly what has been discussed and help clarify any misunderstanding. It is essential that both people agree about what has been said. A summary still the stake for future partners contact and expression that you both have you on outnet. A summary also quality it to the partner that the interview is ending. In conjunction with a summary, you can has no problem cause to indicate to the pattern that the interview and ending, pattern that the interview is over. For instance, you could get up from the car or can your stance in such a way that indication that you need to move on. A simple question, another question has asked, do you have a further question? Or a statement hasn't, I have enjoyed things with you. If you think of something you forget to because and you get home, please give me a call. May also be answering the ending of the interview is good time for you to request the partner about a particular problem. Interviewing informasi parties. Interview informasi parties are after a talk of in theme of complex mediation history interview. However, if an interview is talk of a process of obtaining information for practice to assess potential mediation relevant problem that there are number of activities that pharmacy again in that can be caught of interview, assessing the health problem a practice protest before making an OTC recommendation is a target interview. Evaluating approach response to treatment and provide a problem related to medication therapy during Reveal visit is another example of an interview and the special question that are asking why we something because the purpose the interview purpose but the skill involvement in getting information for patents in order make my own question estimates of patent problem and net remain the same. Documenting interview information. The documentation process is meant of assuring continuation of art of card to patent. The information document in a not become the institutional memory of the card that has been perfect to patents. This will assign its year of flow up care away as communicate of clogged about the care you have provided to a patent. Code communication is a slotting of the function of the health care team, a form for document that is familiar to head of professional is the SARP, not SOAP. SARP is an acronym for subjective objective assessment and plain subjective information is the information reported by the patent or patent caregiver has a symptom, expansion, or self-referral of an adherence. Objective information is that provided by letters or particular action. If a pharmacy as part on interview with a Japanese patent takes it the patent as board purpose, for example, this would be documented as objective information. The assessment question include a description of of any medication related problem detected during the interview. For example, a problem may be lack of therapeutic response coded to reported nodaders. The assignment calls be as special as possible in order to let logical to the plan to resolve the problem. The P portion of the sub note, for example, nodanis land logical the attempt to refer to problem. P portion of the sub note, for example, nodation question by inability to pay for the profession request a deficient intervention plan from nodation scored by forgetting thus. Interviewing using the telephone. The following should be considered during this type interaction. Call your sleep to smile before you pick up the telephone. Your friend estimate will be transmitted to guard the tone, pitch, volume, and intonation for you because if at all possible, answer the telephone or have a fellow employee answer it within the first there of or reach. Identify the pharmacy and your sleep providing but your name and possession. Give you full attention to the call. Nothing is more irritating to clear that to be give the information that they are completing for you attention. Asking for the clear and name and as the name in the conversation, particular at the conclusion of the call, not only does thing reduce possible confusion and error, but by asking for an assign the call is name you communication in a more personal manner. If you much pledge declare on hope for a short time only, ask it my I put you on hope will I look up your prescription in this circumstance. It is important that you do. At the closing of the call and it gradually thank you for everything. Thank you for calling. If possible, all the care to hike up hit. This will allow the caller team to remember that extra request. It will also projective in a subtle manner your skincare will get to instant.
Sekian presentasi dari saya. Wassalamualaikum.